I rest my head on the pillow. I rest my head on the pillow. I get off the bus quickly. I get off the bus quickly. I put the dishes and glass in the sink. I put the dishes and glass in the sink. I sit on the sofa again. I sit on the sofa again. She is setting plates on the table. She is setting plates on the table. She is unlocking the door. She is unlocking the door. He is walking towards the bus stop. He is walking towards the bus stop. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I open the window slowly. I open the window slowly. She is closing the kitchen door. She is closing the kitchen door. He is waiting at the bus stop. He is waiting at the bus stop. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. She is putting books on the table. She is putting books on the table. He is looking at the clock. He is looking at the clock. I walk into the living room. I walk into the living room. She is cleaning the dining table. He is carrying a small bag. He is carrying a small bag. I place the cup on table. I place the cup on table. She is opening the cupboard door. She is opening the cupboard door. He is standing near the window. He is standing near the window. I turn off the kitchen light. I turn off the kitchen light. She is bringing water for everyone. She is bringing water for everyone. He is sitting on the chair quietly. He is sitting on the chair quietly. I close the gate carefully. I close the gate carefully. She is writing something in notebook. She is writing something in notebook. He is checking the time again. He is checking the time again. I walk slowly down the stairs. I walk slowly down the stairs. She is folding the clean clothes. She is folding the clean clothes. He is putting keys in pocket. He is putting keys in pocket. I pick up the empty bottle. I pick up the empty bottle. She is looking outside the window. She is looking outside the window. He is opening the front gate. He is opening the front gate. I place my phone on table. I place my phone on table. She is calling her brother now. She is calling her brother now. He is going back to home. He is going back to home.